Subscribe to our YouTube channel Pankaj Durole DIEMS and press on the bell icon to get notified about recently uploaded videos on the channel in the field of computer engineering.
Hello everyone, myself Pankaj Durole. I once again welcome you all in our YouTube channel. This is an educational YouTube channel in which we will learn about various subjects of computer engineering. Earlier we have learned about computer architecture and organization. Now in this series of video lectures we will learn about operating systems. Thanks for your support to our YouTube channel, and if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, I will request you to subscribe this channel and also press on the bell icon to get the notification about further videos. In this video, we will learn first of all an introduction to operating system, in which we will see that what an operating system do. So, first of all, what is an operating system? We know some examples of operating systems. They are Windows. Another example is Mac OS. The Windows is most famous operating systems because of its convenience and ease of use. Because of that, people prefer to use Windows operating system. Nowadays, open source operating systems are also becoming popular. Mac OSs are installed on Mac systems. So, what is an operating system basically? Operating system provides a platform for the user to run their programs, to run their applications. This is the abstract view of components of a computer system, in which we can observe that operating system lies in between the users and a computer hardware. When it comes to computer hardware, CPU, memory, I/O devices, all these hardware parts come into focus. Now, if the user wants to interact with this particular hardware, then the direct communication between a user and hardware is not possible. So that communication happens via operating system. So we can say that operating systems provide an interface between a computer hardware and a user. Now user executes their program in variety of application softwares. User executes their programs in variety of application programs. So they are compiler. It is used for compiling various programs. Assembler. It is used for compiling assembly language programs. Text editors, where you can write different programs. Database systems, they are useful for storing the user's information, user's data. Now, these are all application programs. Now, we interact through graphical user interface to the computer system, and we interact to the computer system through application programs. Now, to run those application programs, we need operating system. In a formal way, the operating system can be also defined as it is the group of system programs and application programs. So, system programs are the programs which are needed for system itself to manage its own utilities, means to manage operating system's utilities, the system programs are necessary. And application programs are the programs like these particular examples. Also, we can take some examples like Microsoft Office, Paint application, VLC player, MP4 player, some text editors. So these are all examples of application programs. So this is how the operating system plays a role of providing a platform for user activities. Now, if we think about designing of an operating system, there are two views that are taken into consideration. They are user view and system view. So by considering these two views, the operating systems are designed. There are more than 1,000 operating systems in the market. What is the user view and what is the system view? Because operating system, it is for users. So we need to take into consideration that what is the user view, and again on the system side, what is the system's view. So the user view is ease of use, right? Ease of use. Whenever I am handling any operating system, let us say on my mobile phone I am handling Android operating system. So what I generally prefer for? I prefer for ease of use. Whatever activities that I am doing on that mobile phone using that operating system, so that operating system should be very user friendly. The graphical user interface of that operating system should be very, very user friendly. So this is the user view for an operating system. What is the system view? The system view is resource allocation. So what is meant by resource allocation? For operating system, there are so many resources. Everything is rather considered as a resource for operating system. So in case of resource allocation, operating system need not to handle only the user request. The user inputs that are given to the operating system are not only the responsibility of operating system, but also on the background it has to see for memory management, it has to see for CPU utilization, it has to also see for the IO devices handling. So the system view is broad, and in the system view it works as a resource allocator. And by considering both of these two views, like user view and system view, the operating systems are designed, they are developed. And in this particular fashion, we can take an overview of operating system. The detailed material for this course is available in the description box. So please see the description box carefully and download the complete material for the course of operating system from there. Thanks for watching the video.